Welcome back to Prop News Time. Here are the headlines for the day.
MHATA's digital initiative to ease lease deed. Formalities for homeowners in Mumbai. The Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority, MHATA, is set to introduce a new online system for lease deed conveyance in Mumbai, aiming to reduce delays and bureaucratic hurdles in property transactions. The digital platform will allow residents and developers to apply, track, and manage lease documents online, enhancing transparency and efficiency. This initiative aligns with the government's digitization efforts and could boost investment in Mumbai's housing sector. As affordable housing demand rises, MHATA's move seeks to simplify real estate processes, ensuring smoother transactions and better housing resource management in the city. Uttarakhand Development, Rudrapur Mayor, outlines Smart City. Vision with focus on infrastructure and sustainability. Newly elected, Rudrapur Mayor Vikas Sharma has announced a comprehensive plan to enhance city infrastructure, improve municipal employee welfare, and drive sustainable urban growth. His priorities include better roads, water supply, and drainage systems, alongside advanced waste management solutions. A major initiative is transforming Rudrapur into a smart city, starting with a solar-powered pilot ward to promote renewable energy use. Sharma also plans to streamline vending zone allotments and digitize governance for improved municipal services. With a focus on modernization and inclusivity, his administration aims to make Rudrapur a model for urban development in Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, to develop 1,500 crore rupees startup and IT park in Indore, under PPP model. The Madhya Pradesh government has announced plans for a startup and IT park in Indore, with an estimated investment of 1,500 crore rupees under a public-private partnership, PPP model. The 22-story hub, approved by the Indore Development Authority, will cater to the city's growing 1,300-plus startups, with potential for 500 more. Additionally, a 1,000 crore rupees convention center is planned along the Super Corridor. The initiative will be highlighted at the Invest Madhya Pradesh Summit, February 24 to 25 in Bhopal, aiming to position Indore as a leading innovation hub and boost job creation in the state. Wealth, income, sentiment, effect 3. Key factors impact real estate business cycles: market sentiment, wealth perception, and disposable income. If the market sentiment is positive, disposable income is rising, and wealth is appreciating, then it's a shoo-in and we would be witnessing a boom. If two are positive, the market stays stable, but with only one, challenges arise. India's housing market saw record sales in the first half of 2024, but early 2025 faces economic uncertainties. A stock market downturn has eroded wealth and weakened confidence, signaling bearish sentiment. While tax incentives and repo rate cuts support home purchases, only one of the three key factors is in the green, suggesting that real estate demand may remain sluggish until there is an improvement in market stability and financial confidence. Recent real estate transactions in Palghar. A residential flat spanning 1,473 square feet sold in Virar Bolinj Sai Asharwad CHS in Palghar's Virar West for 4 crore 90 lakh rupees. A residential flat spanning 756 square feet sold in Platinum Galaxy in Palghar's Vasai West for 64 lakh rupees. A residential flat spanning 780 square feet sold in Palghar's Manor for 25 lakh rupees. Punjab Cabinet approves policy to acquire 1,500 acres for EWS housing. The Punjab Cabinet recently approved a policy to acquire over 1,500 acres for economically weaker sections, EWS, housing, marking the first such initiative since 1995. The plan involves auctioning underutilized land in housing colonies to generate funds for acquiring plots or developing houses for EWS across key cities. Additionally, the Cabinet approved financial aid increases for acid attack victims, an amnesty policy for land defaulters, and 6 fast-track courts for non-resident Indians, NRIs. The government also aims to boost infrastructure development using 50% of external development charges, EDC, and install 200 solar pumps for sustainable agriculture. Lucknow. LDA reopens e-auction portal, offering residential and commercial plots. The Lucknow Development Authority, LDA, has reopened its e-auction portal, offering 60 square meter residential plots in the Basant Kunj scheme and commercial plots in Gomti Nagar, Jankipuram, Sharda Nagar, and Kanpur Road. Online registrations are open until March 10, with the e-auction scheduled for March 17. This follows a previous auction that generated 450 crore rupees in sales. LDA Vice Chairman Prathmesh Kumar emphasized the initiative's goal to attract buyers amid Lucknow's real estate growth. Investors and homebuyers are encouraged to register early and explore opportunities in the city's expanding property market. Nexus Select Trust expands Bengaluru. Holdings with Vega City Mall purchase Nexus. Select Trust has acquired Vega City Mall, a 96% leased shopping center in South Bengaluru, strengthening its retail presence in the city. The acquisition, completed at 10% below valuation, is expected to generate a retail net operating income of 78 crore rupees and boost net distributable cash flow by 20 crore rupees after debt servicing. Funded through non-convertible debentures at a 7.70% coupon rate, the deal keeps Nexus's loan-to-value (LTV) ratio at 17%. CEO Dilip Sehgal emphasized the mall's prime location and potential for leasing, operational, and marketing synergies, reinforcing Nexus's growth strategy in India's retail market. EY GDS expands. Presence in Tamil Nadu, with first office in Coimbatore. EY Global Delivery Services, GDS, has extended its footprint in Tamil Nadu by inaugurating its first office in Coimbatore at the KCT Tech Park. This addition complements its existing offices in Chennai and underscores its commitment to leveraging the region's skilled workforce and fostering innovation. The launch event featured key dignitaries, including Tamil Nadu's Information Technology and Digital Services Minister, Dr. Palanivel Thiagarajan, and EY GDS's Global Operations Leader, Manesh Patel. The office will focus on consulting services, particularly technology and innovation, while also contributing to the state's digital transformation. With an emphasis on artificial intelligence, data analytics, cloud computing, and cybersecurity, the facility aims to deliver cutting-edge, scalable business solutions, flexible workspaces, BFSI sector, fuel record office space. Absorption in India. The Indian office real estate market has witnessed remarkable growth, with 2024 recording the highest net absorption across the top 7 cities since 2019, as per Anarock Research. Southern cities, particularly Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Chennai, have dominated commercial leasing activity, accounting for the majority share in new supply additions and net absorption. Bengaluru led with a 26% increase in office rentals, followed closely by Hyderabad, 25%, and Chennai, 20%. Meanwhile, despite the addition of 48.11 million square feet of new office space in 2024, office vacancies declined to 16.5%. The co-working sector has gained prominence, rising from a 15% share in 2019 to 21% in 2024, while BFSI sector demand has increased significantly. In contrast, the information technology and information technology-enabled services sector's share has declined over the period. Telangana RERA directs builder to compensate buyer for delayed flat handover. Telangana RERA has ruled in favor of a home buyer, ordering Parijatha Homes and developers to compensate for a delayed flat handover. Buyer Kolapara Veera Venkata. Satya Varaprasad paid 27,50,000 rupees for a unit in Parijatha Pride, which was due for possession by December 2021. Delays forced him to pay home loan EMIs without access to the property. The builder blamed COVID-19 and cost escalations but failed to meet promised deadlines. RERA directed completion within 90 days and imposed an 11.1% annual interest penalty on payments since January 2022. The case highlights growing accountability in the real estate sector. Nagpur residents raise urban development issues at Lok Shahai Din, hosted by NIT and NMRDA. The Nagpur Improvement Trust, NIT, and Nagpur Metropolitan Region Development Authority, NMRDA, held a Lok Shahi Din to address citizens' grievances on urban development. Around 15 residents attended, raising concerns over layout development, property regularization, and lease agreements. A key issue highlighted was the lack of infrastructure in Zingabay Takli, where 400 to 500 plot owners still await roads, sewage systems, and recreational spaces despite regularization. Officials assured action within days, while the initiative aims to enhance transparency and civic engagement. The low turnout signals a need for better outreach. As Nagpur expands, authorities are urged to prioritize sustainable urban planning and ensure timely execution of infrastructure projects. Ahmedabad struggles with illegal construction waste dumping despite AMC's cleanup efforts. Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, AMC, is struggling with illegal dumping of construction waste, particularly near lakes, despite its 25 designated waste sites and cleanup initiatives. Delays in AMC's 200 rupee per trip collection service have led to rampant nighttime dumping in areas like Koteshwar, Memnagar, and Gota, impacting the environment. Plans for a C&D waste processing plant in Gota were scrapped, with a new facility now under development at Gyaspur Sewage Farm. Residents urge better enforcement, awareness, and improved waste management strategies as Ahmedabad works to curb the growing problem and protect its 122 lakes from pollution. Kolkata infrastructure. Kamarhati municipality orders demolition of 57 illegal buildings over safety concerns. The Kamarhati municipality has ordered the demolition of 57 unauthorized buildings in Belgaria Kamarhati after safety inspections revealed structural risks. FIRs have been filed against 17 builders for violating construction laws, while authorities identified multiple tilting buildings in areas like Sastatala, Mackenzie Road, and Aryadaha. The crackdown follows the near collapse of a structure in Bagajatin, raising public safety concerns. Residents demand rehabilitation, criticizing officials for inaction against promoters. The municipality is exploring resettlement options, but enforcement measures are expected to tighten to prevent future illegal constructions in the area. Kochi. GCDA urges Finance Commission for MDA status, municipal bonds, and funding support. The Greater Cochin Development Authority, GCDA, is pushing for an upgrade to a Metropolitan Development Authority, MDA, to better manage Kochi's rapid urbanization. Chairman K. Chandran Pillai emphasized the GCDA's role in city planning during a meeting with the State Finance Commission, warning that dissolving the authority could hinder development. The GCDA also seeks approval to issue municipal bonds to fund infrastructure projects and has requested financial reforms, including government grants and tax exemptions. This proposal aligns with national trends, as cities look to strengthen planning bodies to address growing urban challenges and economic expansion. Pune infrastructure, Pimpri Chinchwad. Municipal corporation demolishes 2,137 illegal structures in crackdown on unsafe industrial units. The Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, PCMC, has demolished 2,137 illegal scrap godowns and industrial units across 372 acres in Kudalwadi, Chakali, with 806 structures removed in a single day. The action follows safety violations, including the absence of fire clearances, labor law breaches, and environmental violations. This crackdown intensified after a fire in Talaude killed 14 people. The PCMC plans further demolitions in areas like Walhekarwadi and Kalawadi. With migrant workers displaced, officials are exploring NGO partnerships for relief efforts while continuing to enforce safety regulations against illegal industrial operations. Navi Mumbai. NMMC mandates use of recycled water for construction to combat water scarcity. Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, NMMC, currently operates 7 sewage treatment plants utilizing advanced sequencing batch reactor, SBR, technology. To optimize the use of treated wastewater, tertiary treatment plants equipped with ultrafiltration and ultraviolet-based technology have been established at Kopakarain and Arolai under the central government's AMRUT mission. The recycled water, post-tertiary treatment, is supplied to industries in the TTC industrial area for non-potable use. With redevelopment projects underway and declining rainfall leading to a drinking water shortage, The municipal corporation has mandated that developers utilize tertiary treated recycled water for approved construction projects to ensure efficient water management. Office Space Solutions reports $151.79 million profit in Q3 FY25, driven by flexible workspace demand. Office Space Solutions posted a net profit of 151.79 million rupees in Q3 FY25, marking a turnaround from a 62.89 million rupee loss in the same quarter last year. The company's consolidated income surged 46.81% to 3,314.66 million rupees, fueled by rising demand for flexible workspaces. Since March 2024, Office has added 27,000 seats and opened 33 centers, bringing its total to 120,000 seats across 193 locations. With 73% of new additions under the managed office model, Office plans to expand to 135,000 seats by March 2025. Its asset-light strategy and focus on technological enhancements position the company for sustained growth in the evolving workspace sector. Bengal Silicon Valley expands to 200 acres, set to create 75,000 jobs in Newtown IT Hub. The Bengal Silicon Valley IT Hub in Newtown, originally a 100-acre project, has doubled to 200 acres due to high demand from IT firms. 38 companies have received letters of intent, with 9 already under construction. Major investors include Reliance, Airtel Nextra, ST Telemedia, and NTT, alongside Infosys, which secured 50 acres. The project aims to generate 75,000 jobs, strengthening Kolkata's IT sector. With 91.8% occupancy across Bengal's 22 IT parks, the state is boosting infrastructure and connectivity to support continued growth, solidifying its position as an emerging tech hub. Nashik Municipal Corporation to increase development charges by 233% from April 2025. The Nashik Municipal Corporation, NMC, will raise development charges for builders and developers from 105 rupees per square meter to 350 rupees per square meter, effective April 1st, 2025, marking the first hike in 15 years. Additionally, a 10% annual increase will be implemented moving forward. The decision aims to generate 1,500 crore rupees to fund essential infrastructure projects and the upcoming Kumbh Mela 2026-27. While builders fear rising housing costs, the NMC assures that the funds will enhance the city's roads, water supply, and sanitation as Nashik undergoes rapid urban expansion. Indian stock market volatility drives record QIP fundraising in real estate. The Indian stock market has seen sharp corrections since September 2024, impacting indices like the Nifty 50 and Sensex. While retail investors remain cautious, institutional investors are shifting focus to long-term growth sectors, particularly real estate. According to Anarock, QIP fundraising hit a record 1,41,482 crore rupees in 2024, up 75% from 80,816 crore rupees in 2020, with real estate attracting significant funding after a zero QIP year in 2023. Despite global economic uncertainties, real estate remains a key investment hedge, with QIP activity expected to support developer expansion, land acquisitions, and debt refinancing in 2025. SPL reports 29.82% drop in Q3 profit, expands project pipeline in Bengaluru and Chennai. Shriram Properties, SPL, reported a 29.82% decline in its net consolidated profit for the quarter ending December 31st, 2024, with profit after tax at 12.97 crore rupees compared to 18.48 crore rupees in the same period last year. The company's total income also saw a decrease of 25.23%, amounting to 179.87 crore rupees. Despite these short-term setbacks, SPL remains optimistic, citing strong project pipelines and upcoming launches in Pune and Bengaluru. The company recorded capital gains of 5.09 crore rupees and interest earnings of 35.93 crore rupees from divesting its stake in its subsidiary, SPL Shelters. Additionally, SPL secured development rights for 3 new projects in Bengaluru and Chennai, with a development potential of 1.1 million square feet. The company's net debt was reduced to 401 crore rupees, with a net debt equity ratio of 0.31 to 1.
That's a wrap for today. Tune in tomorrow for the latest headlines.